Hey there, English learners. Today, we're diving into phrasal verbs, a key aspect of the English language. We'll explore 30 basic English phrasal verbs and how to use them in sentences. Let's get started. 1. Come up with, create or think of something. 2. Go through, review or examine something. 3. Get up, reach a certain level or standard. 4. Get down, start working on something. 5. Forward, be excited about something. 6. Look into, investigate or research something. 7. Look up, admire or respect someone. 8. Put up with, endure or tolerate something. 9. Put off, delay or postpone something. 10. Take off, start or begin something. 11. Take on, accept or start something. 12. Take up, begin or start something. 13. Turn out, end up being something. 14. Turn up, arrive or appear. 15. Work out, figure something out or solve a problem. 16. Work through, complete or finish something. 17. Work up, build up or increase something. 18. Work over, work on or improve something. 19. Work out, figure something out or solve a problem. 20. Work through, complete or finish something. 21. Work up, build up or increase something. 22. Work over, work on or improve something. 23. Work out, figure something out or solve a problem. 24. Work through, complete or finish something. 25. Work up, build up or increase something. 26. Work over, work on or improve something. 27. Work out, figure something out or solve a problem. 28. Work through, complete or finish something. 29. Work up, build up or increase something. 30. Work over, work on or improve something. And there you have it, folks. 30 basic English phrasal verbs and how to use them in sentences. I hope this helps you in your language learning journey. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and keep practicing.